Hello everybody, it's the 30th of January today, and I'm just having a quick look. In fact, I think I'm going to make this a timey-wimey video of my raft Hornbeam, and basically I'm just giving it a little bit of a tidy up today. So just going to be trimming off a few bits that I can see that are dead, growing upwards in the wrong direction, too many pieces coming from the same spot, that sort of thing. So I'm going to do that. I also want to put a piece of wire on this trunk, which is growing up in the center, and I've been waiting for it to grow upwards and out. Likewise, there's another smaller one here, which I also want to wire up into a central direction, so it's coming up out of the middle of the tree to fill in this sort of gap in the middle. So, going to do a bit of trimming. I've cut out a few bigger pieces, even here obviously. I've got a piece here in the back where I've got two branches growing inwards in the same spot, so one of them's going to have to go, and I'm going to take the thicker one. That's better. Okay, so that's tidied that up quite a bit. As always, I see more when I think I've finished. That's okay, stop you getting bored. As usual, this tree will throw out a lot of extra buds to compensate for this anyway, so it'll need further trimmings in the spring and throughout the summer probably. Okay, so now then, let's have a tackle of a couple of pieces that just need a little bit of wire putting on. I'll move you in a bit closer. So the apex of this tree, I just want to put a little bit of wire on just to bring it up and forward so it's not interfering with this tree. I'm going to take off that branch as well while I'm at it. So just a little piece of wire. Anchor it there. And then that can just up and round a little, with a little bit of movement. That's better. Okay, so now I want to tackle this piece, which is a tree that's grown up through the middle, as you can see, hopefully, as did this one. This was originally a branch from the original tree before I lay it on its side, and it became one of the trunks. I'm half tempted to bring that one in a little bit, probably the easiest way to do that is with, I'm going to use a piece of soft string. It'll do the job and it won't cut in as much. So just a little bit of soft string. Once again, not enough hands. Poorly designed body. Said it before in other videos, but there's often a job that you need a third hand for. A bit of an oversight. Okay, so I pull that up like so, and then try and hold that whilst I tie a knot, like so. That's better. That's just holding that branch upright, with no use of wire, so I won't need to worry about that cutting in. I'm gonna shorten that side branch out completely and take that off, because in nature this branch would have gone up to fill this space and it would have killed off the competition below. So if I can do this without covering up what I'm doing from you. I wish it was brighter out here as well, because it's a bit dumb and dimsy. Okay, so and up. Now I can just gently bring that into a more upright position where it's not interfering with the light from the other trees, and actually has its own path through the middle. That's better. I'm just going to trim that just below the height of the other trees, so it has, as it grows up, it can, as I say, fill in some of this gap in the middle. And then I just want to do the same with this other one here, which is very thin. It's going to be tricky to wire. I'm going to have to watch it like a hawk to take the wire off quickly enough if I don't want a lot of scarring. So, anchor that. I'll wire this very, very loosely. So as soon as this branch is, it's going to put on weight, as it were, quite quickly. So, just bring that in and up. And as it's shorter than the others anyway, I'm not going to shorten that. Yeah. Dead piece there, I missed that. Okay, so those two are now going to fill in this kind of gap in the centre a little more. And that's my thought. Actually, I think this probably won't be a timey-wimey video. I think this will probably be enough material in this to make a short video at least. But we'll revisit this tree throughout the rest of the year. I can see more pieces I've missed. There we go, that's better. I think I've said this in previous videos. I want a kind of silhouette of a like when you see a tree on top of a hill, or a group of trees on top of a hill, and you have that sort of rounded silhouette, and that's the kind of silhouette I'm aiming for with this. So anyway, let's give you a quick 360. Hopefully you can see that those branches are in there, as I say, filling in the hollow centre a bit more. That's it for this one. Do the YouTube like, share, comment, subscribe, all those good stuff. But most of all, please, please, please look after yourselves. Stay safe, everybody.